Now the college authorities have called me to make, direct, sing about my story. I became a child. Now, normally the people say that the chartered accountant who is studying is a very brilliant person, very knowledgeable person. But as far as myself is concerned, I am a dull student throughout my career. So I passed out from SSLC from St. Xavier's College, SSLC from St. Xavier's High School, Tuticorin.
Okay, then.
Elementary School, St. Xavier's Elementary School, Tuticorin. And went for St. Xavier's College for studying the degree course. Can you guess what degree I must have done? Can you guess? In SSLC, my passed out is a miracle. During that regime, if a boy fails in one subject and gets a good mark in English, he will be declared pass. So at that time elective was there. I was passed because of that category. In the elective I got only 25 marks. But in English I got 80 marks. So condonation pass. In SSLC, the condonation pass. Everybody started scolding me. So I went to St. Xavier's College for PUC. Now it's a plus 2 now. At that time it is a PUC, that is 69-70. So my father is a humble Tamil teacher from St. Xavier's High School, Tuticorin. So he has some contact in St. Xavier's College. And after seeing the marks, more or less I was called and sent out. My father told to the principal, now it's a computerized. Previously it was manual only. He told principal father, my boy is a very intelligent boy. While telling 75, it was regarded as 25. It is a mistake. So he is a very brilliant boy. Then the principal class. Then I told my parents that I want to pursue engineering graduate. My parents told that you need not go for engineering, go for some other degree, BSc chemistry. Then I told I don't want to study BSc chemistry. I want to study only BA English literature. So I joined the BA English literature. 3 years of BA English literature. Then during my tenure in St. Xavier's College, I was marked as a crooked boy. So I was engaged in some other union activities and all. So I was marked that he cannot be given any seat in St. Jesuits College. So I went to St. Joseph's College for MA admission. So declined. So MA literature, dream, gone. So I was sleeping, and I don't want to waste my year. So one of my friends told me, manager of J. Thomas Fernando and Company Chartered Accountants, they told, why not you join the Chartered Accountants course? So I joined the Chartered Accountants course. BA English literature, doesn't know about anything about economics, logic or commerce, join and pursue the CA education. So, all of a sudden, I took really 1973, I joined CA course. I was able to complete my Intermediate in 1977. 4 years. I took 4 years to complete my intermediate. Then final. I passed out from final in 1981. Before that, I joined as an accountant and accounts officer in Tamil Nadu Civils Corporation. When I was accounts officer, normally I am always in the agitative mood. So when I was an accounts officer, in that company, ladies were not allowed inside the campus or they are given any employment in the factory site. So as an accounts officer, why not? Ladies can be accommodated in the office. So I fought, got the first appointment as a typist in my office. A lady appointed as a stenographer for me. From that day onwards, the ladies were started appointed in that college, in that company. So 1984, I was there, accounts officer. I worked there for 4 years. In 1984, I quit the job to start my practice at Tuticorin. Everybody was scolding, why you are quitting the job? It's a government job. It is a nice job. Then quit the job and start my practice. Why I start my practice? Not I want to do the practice, because my father was sick. So to look after my father, I resigned my job boldly, and 2 missions I have took. My individual practice and also look after my father and some of my marriage to the sisters. So I was, my family consists of big family, 10 members, 5 girls and 5 boys. Myself, the 6th child in our family. After that I got 3 girl children. So I had a responsibility to make them married there. So at that time, no money, no profession, no practice, but I was able to do because of the dedicated will that I can do. Why I am telling this experience, dear students, anything may come, anything may go, but you must have a dedication what you are going to do. This is one thing. Another important aspect during my life, when I started my practice, during our days we have to write the examination in Madurai or Trichy or Salem or Trivandrum or Chennai. No possibility of studying CA course in Tuticorin. So some of my friends started an academy called Ideal Academy, where it started giving education to the CA students. After that, why not we bring a branch to Tuticorin? We fought it. In 1990, we got a branch bifurcated by Tirunelveli. So inauguration function of Tuticorin branch was 1st October 1990 at Tuticorin. Afternoon inauguration function, wherein I was the secretary. Morning, it was bifurcated Tirunelveli branch also I was the secretary. So I was the last secretary of Tirunelveli branch and the first secretary of the Tuticorin branch. Now we have completed 30 years of existence in Tuticorin. So Tuticorin branch is in Adiparasati Nagar in Ettayapuram. Now lot of girl students are all studying there. So as days goes on, I started my career with the teaching only. I used to take the classes in VOC College, part-time lecturer in Bachelor of Business Administration BBA department, worked there for 2 years, and I was a visiting faculty for Cost Accounting Institute. So every day, evening I used to take the classes for Cost Accounting Institute. At that time the salary was only, per hour they will give 12 rupees 50 paise. For taking the part-time classes in VOC College, they will give only monthly salary of 240 rupees. So my friends will be asking, why you are working for the low salary? And I told them, it's not a question that I don't work for a low salary. I can see lot of young minds. Then I can develop my career path through these students. Then after that, one of my boss, C.A. Karnagaran, was working as a part-time lecturer in St. Mary's College. Now he is no more, he is my mentor. So he had some throat problem. So he asked me to take the classes on behalf of him. Then I started my career in St. Mary's College as part-time lecturer from 1987 onwards. So started taking the classes from 86. So college authorities made a condition that if you get married only we will get appointment in this college. So 1986 December I got married at the age of 33. At the age of 33 only I got married to a doctor, medical practitioner. So from 1987 onwards, I was working with this college as a part-time lecturer, taking classes for MCOM. Normally I come out, take the classes and go outside. Normally I will not enter inside. After that in 2011, I retired as a part-time lecturer here. After that also, this college had a faith in me and requested me to take the classes. So till today, I am taking the classes in St. Mary's College. Why? Because education is a nutshell in your life that will mold you properly. I can get lot of inputs from the students. I can take the classes. You will receive. So while taking the classes, I can get a lot of inputs from your side. This is one part. Another part, I used to take the classes for CA students. So education is my passion. Apart from my professional career, education is my passion. Taking the classes is my passion. So I started my practice in 1984. Then we started a partnership concern, R. Mohammed Associates. Then subsequently Subair Associates. So there were some misunderstanding among the partners. So I left the firm and I was practicing individually. So one of my friend in Trivandrum, the firm name called Sankar & Murthy, more than 60 years of experience, or establishment of 60 years. One day they called me that they want a partner, they want a young partner who is having a qualification of Diploma in Information Systems Audit. At that time, I passed that examination. And he called me and asked, you please tell me one young person to join this firm. Then I told him, I have one person, he is very young, can you accommodate him? He told, why not? That young person is nobody, myself only. So I joined as a partner in Sankar & Murthy. Why I joined Sankar & Murthy? I had a vision that A firm in Tuticorin or Trivandrum or where I joined the firm must have a global vision. Global vision. So at that time they were tired need of a person who is having a DISA qualification. So I had a DISA qualification. So I wanted to help them. And as soon as I joined, the Shankaran Murthy was appointed as the Central Statutory Auditor for Indian Overseas Bank. Central Statutory Auditor means throughout India, the auditor is appointed. So we have to travel a lot. Then till today, I am sticking on with the Shankaran Murthy as a partner. So I have completed 37 years of fruitful service in Chartered Accountant, education, background of education. A commerce student can alone do Chartered Accountant is a pass. A literature student can also do. Commerce students can do better. Literature students can do also better. So I cannot say it is an achievement. It is a routine. It is a routine. Always you must have a vision. Always you must have a sentiment that you are always there. Another important aspect is that you must love yourself. You must love yourself. I used to thank God for giving this opportunity to be here. So I have completed my 67th year in the last 8th of this month. I have completed my 67th year. So till today, I am able to do some yeoman service because of the blessings of my students. I am the happiest person. When outside, when I see students, they will come to me, Sir, enne theriyudha sir. So I am the happiest person. That amount of appreciation that I like. So God has given me opportunity to meet you all. In 8th February 2018, 8th February 2018, I met with a fatal accident. My car was totally damaged. Myself and my wife were traveling near Ramanathapuram. When I was coming back from Velangandi, 8th midnight, 12 o'clock, I was driving the car. My car dashed in the parapet wall. The car was totally damaged, and with the grace of God, myself and wife, without any injury, we escaped, but car was totally damaged. The car coming from behind, they told me, so we thought that you must have gone. They are amazed. They are amazed. So everything not in our hands, it is in the hands of the person who had created it. So today I am here means it is because of the will of the God I am standing before you. So students community, my passion is towards only students community only. My passion is towards only the teaching only. My passion is only to encourage the poor people. I am also interested in politics. I had a testing in the politics also. In politics, I am not attached to any party, but I tested what is politics. Your college teacher, a colleague, you must be knowing Veeranganai Fatima Babu. He stood for the mayor election in Tuticorin Corporation. So I was the manager for the entire campaign. At that time, what practice? What politics is? So politics is not for the people like us. Politics is for only for the gundas. That I understood. So she lost. All the papers wrote that she will win, but she lost. So this is the one test of the politics. So regarding my extracurricular activities, I used to hear a lot of songs. I hear music, and to make myself engage in something. First I had the practice and my office in my house only. In 2015, I constructed a new office, that is at the age of 62. Everybody was asking, at this age, you are building a big office. Then I told them, God has blessed me now only, at the age of 62 only, to construct the office. So that office was named after my father. Now he is no more. At the age of his 100th year celebration, to commemorate his 100th year birthday, office was constructed. Now the office was running smoothly, and I have one daughter, one son. Daughter is a MBA. Now she is working in Shell Transos. She is also diversification. She is a fashion technology. Then she studied MBA, international business. Then now she is a risk consultant in Shell. They are happily married. And a son, he is pursuing the chartered accountancy course. He has not passed, he is writing his examination. Passing the CA examination, you will get 4 to 5% result. So, who is great means, who are all failing the chartered accountancy course are all great. 95% will fail, 5% will only pass. So, this is thing. So, whenever you have a chance that you are failing, you are sober, you cannot do anything, I cannot read anything, I cannot speak, I cannot visualize, I cannot come out. That kind of attitude you must come out. This is the lesson that I have. So wherever there is a chance, I will go there. Wherever there is a chance, I will pursue. Wherever there is a chance, I can do it. Wherever a chance to help, I will help out of the way. Wherever there is a way, I will do the way. So this was like that. My journey is going, and I am taking a lot of soft classes for CA students. I used to give a lot of lectures in subjects. It is, as I told you earlier, it is my passion. Chartered accounting is not the only area that I am. I am a BA English Literature, then Chartered Accountancy, then Diploma in Law, in Company Law and Company Law and Labor Law, now DISA. Recently, I have 2 years back, I have registered for PhD in Annamalai University, but I couldn't do because of my pressure of work. I couldn't do that. Now I have withdrawn from the PhD course. Why I am telling? When you are young, try to study. When you have a chance, try to learn. When you are having the time, try to learn. English, I cannot speak in English. I cannot write in English. I cannot speak in writing. I am unable to communicate. That kind of inferiority complex you have to shed away. So, when there is a will, you must have the capability that you have to do something for the society. What I wanted is smile, smile, smile. Whenever there is a sober mood, try to smile. When you smile, you can cross lot of miles. You have to smile. Now I cannot see that your smiling face because everybody was wearing the mask. Entire face structures have been changed nowadays. Could not see the faces. This coronavirus had learned a lot of lesson to us to love others, to make how to be healthy. So dear students, these are all my humble submission of the story. I have made it. I am crossing this way. I am crossing this life with good mood. I am crossing this life with your support. I am crossing this life with the help of your young minds. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Gratitude is the most exquisite form of courtesy.